Hey guys, let's start programming and see for that we need few things first. Firstly, we need MinGW. To download MinGW, open Chrome browser and search for MinGW. From the results, click on the first link. Now, you see download, click in 5 seconds, it starts downloading. Now check downloads, click on the file. Click install, continue, clicking on continue. It loads. Sometime it will vary upon performance of the system. Just wait. Click continue. This time a new page opens. You see packages now. Right click on it and mark do this for all. See left side, click on installation, apply changes, click apply and wait for few seconds. I already installed on my PC. You just apply and after it shows close, click close. It will successfully install MinGW. If someone having issue with, please let me know in the comments. I will reply to you. Now its easy part comes in downloading VS Code. Let's open a Microsoft Store and search VS Code and install. And I have already installed it. Takes some time for installation, but no worries, it's gonna install directly. After installation, open VS Code. After opening, first thing to do is check for extensions in the left side. In extensions, we need two. First one is C/C++ extension by Microsoft. Second extension is Code Runner. Don't forget to add these two extensions. Go to Explore. Now you see open folder, click it. Now select where you want to store your programs. I go with desktop. Now create a new folder, whatever name you want. I go with new and selected. You see folder added to it. Click new file and name it. Name should end with what program we want to write, like .c for C program and .cpp for C++. Hope you had no issues. Please let me know if you face any issue in the comments, and please subscribe and support.